Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Happy to have you join me. We are in full-blown summer travel and vacation season. I've already shared with you that I have been on 3 vacations already. One of them was flying. I did share a couple videos having to do with travel and vacation. I recently just did a video talking about, sorry, my husband is weed whacking right there. If you hear a little noise, that's what it is. But anyway, back to the video. Timing, I swear timing. And in this family, and it's a weekend, you can't be fussy. But really? I told you I was gonna film. Anyway, no, he's not gonna be in the doghouse. All right, back to why we are here. I have been on vacation. I've been in full-blown packing. I feel like I'm becoming quite the expert. Actually, the 3 trips that I have taken, I did a wonderful job packing. I don't really feel like I overpacked. I certainly didn't underpack. I feel like it is something, I'm organized, and there's a reason for that. As you know, I do have a download printable packing list that you could download for yourself. I will have a link in the drop-down box where you can get to that. You can also get to it on my website on the shop bar, which is on the top part of my website. But anyway, I am getting ready to leave again tomorrow, and this one is just one night, but I will be flying 1 night, 2 days, and this one's a business trip, so it's very short, and I just don't have time to be gone long to extend it. So it's just going to be 1 night. Anyway, I am today packing up and getting a few items together for that. I won't need to take much as it's only 1 night, but there are certain things that I do utilize. So today in this video, what I would like to share with you is cubes, compartments, components that I take with me, that I pack things in that I feel make my life run more smoothly while I'm traveling, and I believe that these components may help you out as well, and I want to share them with you. The first one that I want to share is this toiletry case right here. I just recently did a video sharing what I take as far as toiletry products and how I store them. I had shared this exact bag right here. I love this. If you want to see how I packed it and all the compartments and details to it, click on that video below and you can watch that. What I found out after taking about a 5-day vacation and having just one of these bags was that I actually could use 2. Therefore, I ordered another bag. So I have 2 of these bags. I just recently got back from a 7-day vacation, and I was so thankful that I had picked up the extra bag. What I do, and I'm not going to open these up and share them with you because you can do your bags however you want to, or put your toiletries in there however you would like. And like I had mentioned, you will see how I stored my toiletry items in the one in that video. But what I ended up doing is I moved all of my skincare, and I don't know if I had body care. I think skincare and body care is in one, and then I have hair care and just little necessities in the other one. I have some Downy wrinkle release. I have Hollywood tape, a deodorant sponge, safety pins, just those little necessities that I have on my packing list. If you get the packing list, you will see what those little necessities that many people don't think about packing, but in a pinch, and especially when you're traveling by airfare and you don't have the car caddy in the back of your car to resource, there's a lot of extra things that you need to bring. I am so thankful that I picked up this extra bag. When my husband and I went away for our anniversary for 5 days, my husband loved my bag so much that he actually wanted one. One of the daughters ended up getting him one for Father's Day, and he had it for our 7-day trip that we took to New York. His is empty, so I thought I would share it with you, and his is blue where mine has the purple. But the thing is this is so nice because stuck inside here is a little hanger. You can hang the bag, but the other thing, and like I mentioned in that video, is this bag also has the feet, so it stays standing right on the vanity. A lot of these hanging bag units do not. It also opens at the sides. He loves this bag. He is so happy that he got it as well. I cannot recommend it enough. I know after I shared it in my first video, it had sold out, but it recently came back into stock. So I will have this linked for sure. And again, check that video out. Another necessity when traveling, and I recently found out about packing cubes maybe a year or two ago, and I believe it was from watching other YouTubers and their packing list, and many of them would use packing cubes. My oldest daughter ended up getting some packing cubes and she raved about them, and it really inspired me to pick up some up myself. The ones that I use, and these are really popular on Amazon, I think they're one of the best selling and super affordable. We've actually picked these up for gifts for people as well, is this one right here. It comes in this particular bag, which you could use if you wanted to as a dirty clothing bag. I don't, because I don't want to get it dirty. I just use it for storage, and I don't actually take this with me when I travel because I'm using the packing cubes. They will come like this. This is the largest one, and then in each side of one of these compartments or cubes, when you unzip it, you will find the next size. You will open that size, you will find a smaller size, and then you will open it one more time and you will find one more smaller size. You can get different colors in these. I love these. I'll tell you what I do with them that make them so efficient. I take clothing and I kind of categorize it. I might put all sleepwear type ones in one cube. I may put fitness or workout wear in another cube. I will do outfits in a cube. I may do shoes in a cube. And then when I get to my hotel or the rental that we are going to take advantage of, sometimes we do rental homes, I don't even unpack everything from the cubes. What I do is I take the cubes and I put them in the dresser drawers. I unzip them, open them up, flip the top underneath, and then stick the cube in the drawer. That way it's open on top and I can resource everything that I packed. Really what this does is it keeps all of your things organized, and it actually helps you when you are getting ready to pack up to go home as well. At the end of my vacation, what I will do is I will take anything that is still clean or something that does not need to be washed as far as dirty clothes, and I will start combining them into maybe the smaller cubes. And then what I do is I just take all of my dirty clothes and put them in the larger cube. And that way that larger cube goes home, everything is stuffed in there together. It makes it so easy for packing to go. It makes it easy while you're on your trip, and it also makes it easy when you're packing up to come home. So highly recommend them. They're machine washable. Again, they come in so many different colors. And again, after I got mine, my husband got his. We have had our cubes for, I want to say, well over a year. So we have definitely done some traveling with these, and we love them. And again, this makes a great gift. If you got a gift like this and put the toiletry case in with it, this would make a great gift for a traveler. The next thing that I am excited to share with you, and this is all ready to go for my overnighter. I know this is a lot of stuff for one night, but I still have to do a full face makeup, and I have to pretty much bring everything to do that. So this is ready to go, but I love this. I just recently picked this up as well. I knew I needed something more for flying versus using my little caddies that I normally share with you on social media that are just like my car caddy where it's plastic. I didn't want to travel with something like that in my luggage. This is perfect. This also comes in a couple different colors. I did the color purple, but I did want to just kind of show you what is inside. This little flap velcros down, but what I love about this is you have easy access to your brushes. You will notice that I have a couple white cotton pads. I stick those behind my foundation brush and my concealer brush because those are more liquid form and I don't want to stain the bag, and I also need to use some cotton rounds while I am on vacation prior to doing my makeup. So that's kind of how I resource that. The other thing that is really nice about this bag here is it will come with these little dividers. So you can slide the dividers in wherever you would like them. There's a couple different sizes. You can pull out what you don't need. I love that it has the carrying handle. It zips up really easily. There's a couple other slots in there. There was a zipper part where you can slide your eyeshadow palettes or more of your flat palettes in there, and that's what I do. It's great because you can open it up, lean the back up, and you can get in there easy to do your makeup, and it's not going to get damaged in your luggage if you do a checked-in bag. So love this. Highly highly recommend everything I'm talking about just because all this traveling I've done, I love the stuff that I have, and that is why I'm so excited to share everything with you. If you ladies are like me, and I'm sure you are, you also travel with jewelry. And sometimes we are not so simple when it comes to jewelry because some of us like costume jewelry and we'll have bigger earrings and things like that. There's a couple different things that I have for traveling with jewelry. I have this small little envelope type clutch that you just open up, and it has the different compartments. This is really nice for the more simple person that doesn't wear a lot of big chunky things like bracelets, maybe chunky or bigger earrings or statement earrings. If you're more of a simple jewelry girl, I really think this is all you would need. Really love this. If you have a little bit more bigger and bulkier jewelry pieces, this one here is wonderful. It's going to be a little bit deeper than the other one. And of course, it has a couple different areas that it unzips. You have this area here. You've got some compartments here. You can open these up and put different things in them. I like that because I don't like my jewelry touching, so it's really important that there's plenty of room to put different things so that everything has its own place. There's also a bigger compartment here, so if you have thicker jewelry, for instance, even this cuff bracelet that I am wearing right here, I can put in that part. So this one pretty much serves me better for most vacations unless I am just going very minimal. When we took the kids to the amusement park in Ohio, Cedar Point, and I knew that we were just gonna be wearing very simple clothing, I was able to get away with the other little clutch that I just shared. But when I went for my 7-day trip, I really needed to utilize something like this because I was taking a lot of jewelry, and you can throw other things in there. Again, you can throw your Hollywood tape in there. You can throw your safety pins in here. So many different, your deodorant sponge, whatever little necessities you may need, you can get a lot in here. If you have overflow of makeup, you could probably throw that in here. We just have to utilize all of our space. I do want to share another thing though that I do with small things like jewelry. You ladies know that many times when we get certain goodies, whether it's jewelry, makeup, whatever it could be, we will get little pouches that it will come in. A lot of these are jewelry ones. Here's a Tory Burch. Here's a little pouch from Goriana Jewelry, if I'm saying that right. But you know what I mean. We get all these little pouches here. What I do is I keep these. These are another great little thing to put your jewelry in. The other thing that I like is if you're taking clothing and you're not going to be flying and you're going to travel by car and you leave something hung up, you can pull it like this and you can hang it on the hanger. When my husband and I went away for our anniversary, I decided to do all of my ironing and took all of my clothes on hangers as far as my outfits. Instead of utilizing those other compartments that I showed for jewelry, I did little compartments like this. In one outfit, I would put together on a couple hangers or one hanger. And let's just say I had 3 pieces of jewelry, but again, I don't like my jewelry to touch. I would take these, put the individual jewelry in each one, and then I would hang it over the hanger, and I would keep my outfits together. If I had a belt, I would put that there. So everything stayed together, which made it much easier for me when I was going to be getting ready to go. So these are great. One thing that I always do is I keep my little cardboard earring holder. I don't get rid of these. Even if I take my earrings off and store them in my jewelry drawer, I keep these for travel. So again, I would take a pair of earrings like this, I would put them in a pouch like this, close it up, and it's ready to go. It is so much easier when you have the earrings and you don't have to worry about the back to keep them on things like this, and then just stick it right in the pouch, ready to go. Another thing that I will keep is these little cardboard things. This one's from H&M. If you purchase a necklace and it comes on one of these, I will keep these as well. Again, perfect for travel. I threw this necklace on here. This is not an H&M necklace. I think I got this one from Nordstrom. It's got the little hole. You could loop that over a hanger, or again, you can stick it inside a little bag, pull the drawstring and you don't have to worry about your necklace getting tangled because it's on that little cardboard thing. So recycle those, there's many uses for them. And yet another thing that you can do for your jewelry is if you ever have jewelry come in boxes like these, you can keep the boxes and put your jewelry in there. When I have done that, I will tape the jewelry so that it's not shifting around. Again, if it was a necklace, I don't want that necklace moving around and getting tangled, so I would tape the necklace inside the box, but it protects it. Again, I don't like my jewelry touching. Recycling little bags like this are perfect as well. You can put different things in there. I generally put my little wrap towel in this one because when I do my PM skincare routine, I like to put a wrap towel on because you know I always like to hit my neck and décolleté. I've mentioned this one in past videos, I believe in my toiletry packing one and maybe my 5 beauty items for spring going into summer. This one here has my self-tanning goodies for travel, but the nice thing about this bag is if you had a wet suit, maybe you were on a beach vacation and you had to pack your suit while it was still damp, you could put it in a bag like this and you don't have to worry about it getting on other things. Lastly, what I want to share with you, it's actually a flatware or silverware tray that we had that was left over, but I love it because it's a sturdy wood. And we have other ones of these, so they're perfect for many uses, but what I have in here is all our little travel goodies. If you come home from a hotel and you bring the little shampoo and conditioners that they give to you complimentary, I have cotton balls that have been sent, shampoo, conditioner. I mentioned the throwaway toothbrushes that already have the toothpaste on them. Those are in my toiletry video. I will keep little containers just in case I need to store something in them. I have 4 of these empty Hollywood tape containers. These are perfect for tweezers or something like that. This here is an empty container from Lush. You can put something in there if you need to. This is just where I store all of that stuff. Everybody in the family knows that when they are packing up to go on a vacation, they can come in here, grab what they need, and we have it all. There's shower caps, again, lotions, body scrubs. We even have a face lotion here, bars of soap, ear swabs, pretty much everything that you could imagine they could get you in here for travel. I hope you found all of that helpful. Again, I love these cubes in different components and I wanted to share them with you. Don't forget to check out the Show More with the drop-down box below where you can get to those other videos that I mentioned, and you can also get to my printable packing list download. When you purchase it, you will get it right away and you can print it out and you can use it for your own use. Thank you for joining me. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.